Good afternoon, dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and enjoying your online classes. My name is Manish Kumar Vishwakarma, and I have already discussed these topics, transports and excursion. And today I am going to discuss with you a transport of food. How the food are transported in a plant. I am going to discuss today. You are very well know this thing. The food prepared in the leaves is carried to the rest of the plant by another set of pipes. This set of pipes formed by a tissues called phloem. जो फूड्स प्रिपेयर होते हैं लीव्स में वो एक स्पेशल अनदर सेट्स ऑफ पाइप्स के थ्रू पूरे प्लांट्स में क्या होते हैं वो ट्रांसपोर्ट होते हैं और उस सेट्स ऑफ पाइप्स को हम फ्लोएम कहते हैं. यू आर वेरी वेल नो द फूड प्रिपेयर्ड इन द लीव्स is carried to the rest of the plant by the another set of pipes. This set of pipes is formed by a tissues called a phloem. And my next circulatory system. In the higher animal, digested foods, gases, and the waste material are carried out around the bodies by blood. Blood flows through a network of tubes which are called blood vessels. You are very well knows all the waste materials and the deoxygenated deoxygenated gases which are digested foods. These all are the waste materials which are carried out from the body with the help of blood, and these bloods are flow through the blood vessels. Blood flow through the network of tubes. Blood through the network of tubes, which we can easily say the vessels, which are called blood vessels. Which are called blood vessels means in which the bloods are continuously flow. It is pumped to every parts of the animals by the heart. The bloods are pumped in the blood vessels with the help of heart. Heart are that organ which pumped the blood in our whole bodies. Parts of the animals of the body which does not have the same structure in the animal. These systems of the transport comprising the heart and the blood vessel. The structure of the heart at almostly same in all the human beings, and there are too much differences. Very little differences are the structures about the structures, and I am going to discuss with you the blood. Blood is a fluid tissue. It has a red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets floating in a liquid called plasma. An adult male weighing 70 kg, about 5.5 liter of blood in his body. If a man has a 70 kg his body weight, then the quantities of blood are present in that body is 5.5 liter. Next one is the plasma. The plasma is a straw colored liquid containing about 90% of water. If some blood in a test tube allowed to stand for some time, it separates into a plasma and the dark red mass of a cell which sink in the bottom the plasma of the solution of mineral waste product digested food. Enzymes, gases, for blood proteins of the another substances. Plasma, you are very well knows the plasma is the solution of minerals and the waste products, the digestive foods and the enzymes, gases, blood proteins and the another substances. In our if we want to stay healthy, then we have to take a balanced diet, because the balanced diet help us to keep healthy in a proper way. Dear children, that's all for today. Bye, take care. Have a nice day. See you in the next class.